Hello, my friend. Welcome to FluentX, your calm English home on YouTube. If fast English makes you nervous, if complicated lessons feel heavy, just breathe for a moment. You're safe here. Today, we step into a quiet cafe, soft lights, gentle music, and a slow, peaceful conversation between two friends. As you listen, your English will settle into a natural rhythm, clear, simple, and warm. If this gentle way of learning feels comforting, you're always welcome to stay with us and learn English fast and simple, in a calm, beautiful way. Hey, Lily. Thanks for meeting me today.
Of course, Ethan. I needed a calm break anyway.
Same here. A quiet cafe feels perfect right now.
Yeah, soft music, warm lights. This place feels peaceful.
Let's sit by the window. I like the sunlight.
Sure, it's a perfect spot to talk slowly and relax.
So, what will you order today?
Maybe a simple latte. Something warm.
Good choice. I'll get a cappuccino.
Should we order something to eat, too?
Yeah, maybe a muffin. We can share.
That's sweet. Let's do it.
This table looks comfortable.
Yes, and it's quiet. We can talk clearly here.
I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Same. It always makes me feel calm.
You know, I like slow mornings like this.
Me too. They feel gentle.
So, how has your week been?
Busy, but good. I tried to stay positive.
That's nice. Did anything interesting happen?
Not really, just normal life. Work, home, sleep.
I get it. Life feels simple sometimes.
Simple is good, though.
Are you still practicing English every day?
Yes, and I've started speaking more slowly.
Really? How does it feel?
Honestly, more natural, more calm.
Slow English feels powerful, right?
Yes, it feels clear.
When I speak slowly, my mind relaxes.
Same. My sentences feel smoother.
And people understand me better.
Exactly. Slow English is beautiful.
It's not weakness, it's clarity.
It's confidence.
Listen, the soft music is nice.
Yeah, it helps me think clearly.
Even the sounds of the cups and plates, so calm.
Cafes always feel warm to me.
Maybe that's why people talk openly here.
True. Cafes make conversations easy.
Yesterday, something funny happened.
Oh, tell me.
I said sheet of paper, but it sounded wrong.
Oh no. Accent problem?
Yeah, the person misunderstood me.
That happens to everyone.
We both laughed later, though.
Good. English mistakes are normal.
It taught me to repeat slowly.
Yes. Slow repetition fixes clarity.
You're right.
See? You're learning too.
Here's our coffee.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
Warm coffee makes every conversation better.
And slower. You naturally relax.
Sip slowly.
Always.
How's work going lately?
Not bad. Just busy.
Any challenges?
Communication. Sometimes.
English or general communication?
Both.
I can help you practice anytime.
Really? That means a lot.
Of course. We're friends.
Thank you.
Speaking with you helps me too.
Teamwork.
Do you ever feel shy while speaking English?
Yes, especially with new people.
Same here.
But speaking slowly helps.
Yes, slow tone builds confidence.
True.
When learning is calm, I learn faster.
Same. Pressure kills progress.
Calm learning is gentle.
And long-lasting.
That's why FluentX helps me.
Me too.
Look outside. The weather is nice.
Yes, bright but soft.
It matches our conversation,
Soft and simple.
just like our English today.
Exactly.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
Maybe cooking at home.
That sounds peaceful.
And you?
I'll probably read a book.
Nice.
Do you have any language goals?
I want to feel confident when speaking.
You already sound confident.
Thank you. That helps.
Your tone is calm.
I try.
Let's practice one sentence slowly.
Sure. What sentence?
I'm learning English step by step.
I'm learning English step by step.
Perfect.
Feels easy, right?
You always choose simple sentences. Simple is beautiful. Okay, Teacher Ethan. Ha ha, stop teasing. Never. Fine. I like moments like this.
Me too. Soft and slow.
Talking is easier when you feel safe.
Yes, comfort improves English.
And friends help.
Always.
You know, don't overthink your English.
I'll try.
You speak clearly.
Thank you.
Believe in yourself.
I will.
Coffee is almost finished.
Time passes fast when conversation flows.
True.
Slow talk is beautiful.
And peaceful.
Yes.
I should leave soon.
Yeah, me too.
But this was nice.
Very nice.
We should meet again.
Definitely.
Take care, Lily.
You too, Ethan.
Text me if you need help with English.
I will. Thank you.
Stay calm.
Always.
Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us today. I hope this gentle English story made your mind feel lighter and your confidence a little stronger. If this calm way of learning feels good to you, you can like this video so more learners can find a peaceful place to improve. And if you want simple, slow, and clear English every day, you're always welcome to subscribe and become part of the FluentX family, your calm English home on YouTube. Take a gentle breath, stay kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next story.